Welcome to the month of September here at Litzen RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. Here at Litzen RV, adventure is in our DNA. If you're somebody who doesn't like a paved road to be your boundary, go off-road in a Winnebago RV. See our videos and blogs this month where we focus on 4-wheel drive and all-wheel drive equipped Winnebago Class B and Class C RVs. And now Heidi Thompson, our Vice President and General Manager, will give you an update on our construction process here at Litzen RV.
Hi, I'm Heidi Thompson, General Manager at Litzen RV. Our additional service bays and new parts storage area and shipping room are now in full operation. We are happy to be able to offer an expanded service appointment schedule with this additional space, allowing us to continue our strong owner support throughout purchase, delivery, and RV ownership. As the largest Winnebago parts dealer in the country, we are able to ship parts from our warehouse and Winnebagos. In-stock parts can be shipped out that same day. Our parts retail store expansion will begin over the next couple of months, which is the final phase of our expansion. This expansion allows us to continue to provide you the best-in-class service you've come to expect from Litzen RV. Stay tuned to our live blog as we will continue to update you as progress continues.
Hi, I'm Deanna Rodriguez, Sales Consultant here at Litzen RV. Today, I'm going to discuss the Winnebago all-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive motorhomes, providing you the freedom to go off-road and off-grid on your adventures. Winnebago RVs available with 4-wheel drive include the Winnebago Revel, Winnebago Era, and Winnebago Bolt. Winnebago all-wheel drive equipped RVs include the Winnebago Echo. The flexible floor plan of the Winnebago Revel, built on the Mercedes-Benz diesel chassis, includes on-demand 4-wheel drive as a standard feature, complete with high and low range and hill descent mode for added off-road capability. The Revel provides the option of adding BF Goodrich TAKO2 all-terrain tires and performance wheels to help maneuverability with your off-road adventures. The Revel is equipped with the Xantrex Smart lithium power, solar power, and a 2,000-watt inverter, opening up a world of possibilities with off-road and off-grid capabilities. The Winnebago Revel is available now for immediate delivery. The powerful Winnebago Era is also built on the Mercedes-Benz diesel chassis and includes on-demand 4-wheel drive with high and low range as an option. The Era is equipped with 2 deep cycle Group 31 batteries, solar power, and a 1,000-watt pure sine wave inverter, and a 2,500-watt Cummins Onan LP generator for power on or off-grid. The innovative Winnebago Bolt is built on the Mercedes-Benz diesel chassis and includes on-demand 4-wheel drive with low range as an option. The Bolt is powered with the Pure 3 advanced lithium-ion energy system and includes solar power and a 3,600-watt pure sine wave inverter to maximize off-grid power. And now Adam will review the all-wheel drive equipped Winnebago Echo.
Hi, I'm Adam Brinkman, Sales Consultant at Litzen RV. The Winnebago Echo is built on the Ford all-wheel drive transit chassis. The Echo is a Class C RV that combines with the efficiency of a camper van with the added capacity of a Class C coach. The Echo includes lithium-ion power, solar, a Cummins Onan 28i LP generator, and a 2,000-watt pure sine wave inverter. The Echo also has a large freshwater tank and proportionate waste tanks, making extended stays possible. The Echo's standard all-wheel drive capability allows it to go where other motorhomes can't. Yet, with its van size, the Echo is easy to drive and easy to park. Contact myself or another Litzen RV consultant today to find out more about Winnebago RVs with 4-wheel drive and all-wheel drive functionality.
Hi, I'm Jordan Weiland, Sales Consultant at Litzen RV. The Litzen RV experience starts from the moment you pick up the phone or chat with us online and extends throughout the lifetime of your RV ownership. As you are looking for your next RV, there are several reasons to buy your next RV from Litzen RV. One of which is our complimentary half-day orientation included with any RV purchase. Other RV dealers may charge a significant sum for this. During your scheduled orientation, one of our factory-trained orientation specialists will take the time you need to ensure you know how to use your RV by covering each switch, feature, maintenance, and warranty item. This orientation is dedicated time for you to become comfortable with the use of your new-to-you RV. This orientation may be done in person or live through our virtual link if you prefer. Contact myself or another Litzen RV consultant to experience the best with Litzen RV.
And that's the month of September at Litzen RV. Wishing you continued safe travels from the team at Litzen RV.